There is a Play Scenes animation button on a free SketchUp, but you can only download it to your machine as a video file on a paid version. Check out my other video for setting up scenes for each views. Let us know in the comments what you would like to see next. And if you are enjoying this type of content, kindly subscribe and give us a like for us to continue sharing our videos. As always, thank you for watching.